Welcome. Have you ever wondered how you can manifest your deepest dreams and desires? In this video, I will reveal the secrets to manifesting anything you want in your life. Imagine being able to visualize your goals and see them become a reality. Yes, it is possible, and today I will show you how to do it. From using the power of your imagination to focusing on your feelings and actions, this video will guide you step by step towards the life of your dreams. If you are passionate about transforming your life and achieving your dreams, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Like this video and leave us your comments below. We want to know what you want to manifest in your life. Let's begin this incredible journey towards manifestation together. Visualization and creation. If you want to manifest something in your life, a good starting point is to visualize what you want. As Robin Sharma says, everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in reality. We are energetic beings, extensions of a single source. By having a human experience, we have important tools that we can use to create whatever we want. The first tool we all possess is imagination, the most powerful in our toolbox. Even if you have been conditioned not to use it for fear of being considered a dreamer, life is a dream and you are the dreamer. This is your power. This is how new inventions have been made. People use their imagination to build houses, create art, write stories, or build big businesses. Creation begins in the imagination. Furthermore, our imagination has no limits. When you visualize, you not only see images, but you also feel the emotions associated with your desires. This emotional process intensifies the energy and focus towards what you want to manifest. It is important to dedicate time daily to visualize your goals, to feel the joy, satisfaction, and pride of having already achieved them. The more detailed and vivid your visualization is, the more real it becomes. Persistence and belief in your ability to manifest are key. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your vision and maintain an open mindset to receive. Imagination is just the beginning. What follows is the constant commitment to your dreams. Focus and attention. The second tool is your focus and attention. Where you put your focus, that will grow. If you pay attention to the negative, that is what you will expand. If you focus on visualizing what you want, that is what will make its way into your reality. It is essential to be aware of your thoughts and redirect them towards the positive and constructive. Not only will this help you maintain an optimistic mindset, but it will also attract situations and people that support you in your goals. Practice gratitude daily. Being grateful for what you already have amplifies your positive energy and opens more doors for what you want to manifest. Remember, where your attention goes, your energy flows. Cultivate the habit of focusing on what you want to see flourish in your life. Keep your thoughts aligned with your desires and watch how the universe responds to your clear and consistent focus. Feelings as a guide. The third tool is your feelings. You don't need outside guidance. Your guide is within you. Good feelings indicate that you are in tune with your true essence. Follow your good feelings for a life of happiness and satisfaction. Bad feelings are a signal to take a step back and re-evaluate your thoughts. It is vital to pay attention to these emotions and use them as a compass to direct your life. When you feel joy, excitement, or love, you are aligned with your purpose and on the right path. If you experience fear, doubt, or sadness, it is an opportunity to reflect and adjust your approach. Consider keeping an emotional journal where you record your daily feelings and the events that trigger them. This will help you identify patterns and become more aware of your emotional states. Remember, your feelings are powerful indicators of your internal state and guide you toward a fuller, more conscious life. Keep your attention on what makes you feel good and use those sensations as a lighthouse to navigate your reality. Movement and action. The fourth tool is movement or action. In this physical reality, action is the manifestation of imagination. Deciding is a form of action. When all our elements are in harmony, thoughts, feelings, focus, and movement, we experience total happiness. Movement takes us out of inertia and propels us forward, turning our dreams into tangible reality. Every small step we take brings us closer to our goals, creating a snowball effect that increases our motivation and determination. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. They are the ones who build the path to success. It is essential to take inspired action, that which is born from our intuition and positive feelings. This action is not only effective, but also feels natural and effortless, aligned with our true purpose. By keeping ourselves moving, in constant action toward our goals, we keep the energy flowing and allow the universe to conspire in our favor. The key is to maintain coherence and persistence, trusting that each action brings us closer to the life we wish to manifest. Guided meditation. Now let's put all of this together into a powerful guided meditation. Sit in a comfortable position and place your hands where it is comfortable for you. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breathing. Inhale and exhale deeply, feeling the air pass through your nostrils. Fill your chest and reach your stomach. Relax as you exhale. Focus on your breathing and watch your body relax more and more with each breath. You are the creator of your life. There are no limits to what you can experience or create. Imagine that you are in front of a large wooden door, knowing that it is special. Behind it, your creator self has built the perfect house for you. When you open the door, boldly enter your dream home. View every detail. Feel the ground under your feet, touch the objects in your house. Walk through the rooms and sit in your favorite chair. What is your house like? How do you feel being there? Go to the master bedroom. Open the closet and see your hanging clothes. Feel the happiness when seeing your favorite photos around. This is your house. You feel relaxed and at home. Suddenly, you hear someone at the door. It's your soulmate. Feel the happiness of hugging this person who loves you and appreciates you for who you are. Notice how your friends and family are arriving too. Enjoy his company. Now it's time to work, but it's not a normal job. You love what you do and you feel inspired. Imagine that you are doing what you have always dreamed of, receiving appreciation and rewards for being yourself. Visualize prosperity, wealth, and financial freedom flowing into your life. Imagine that you go out to the garden of your house, full of flowers and fruit trees, a place where you feel peace and connection with nature. Feel the sun on your skin and the fresh air on your face. This is your sanctuary, a space created by you and for you, a reflection of your essence. Visualize that you organize a special event at your home, surrounded by the people you love, celebrating your achievements and sharing moments of happiness. Hear the laughter, feel the joy and gratitude of everyone present. Finally, visualize that every day you wake up with energy and enthusiasm, ready to face new challenges and take advantage of all the opportunities that arise. Every step you take is in alignment with your highest purpose, and you feel deep satisfaction in every aspect of your life. Feel the perfection of where you are now. Keep your vision and repeat every day. You are the creator of your reality. Everything is working for you. Trust the universe, follow your good feelings, and allow your new reality to manifest. Congratulations! You now have the tools and knowledge to manifest anything you desire in your life. Remember, the key is clear visualization, focused attention, and consistent actions. Allow yourself to dream big, feel deeply, and make decisions that bring you closer to your dreams. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Leave us your comments about your experiences and hit like to support our work. Together we can create the life we have always dreamed of.